Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello friends, after watching this video, I can definitely tell you that you don't know this hidden feature of Microsoft Word. Yes guys, you heard it right. Guys, one of the most common challenges in our life is writing equations. Yes, I'm talking about mathematical equations. Whether in our studies or in anywhere, we cannot write mathematical equations properly. In our school days, we can use some accessible tools, but after school, when we are trying to do advanced maths for our study or for our government exams, we cannot write the proper equations. But today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write mathematical equations using NVDA and MS Word. Yes, the hidden feature of this MS Word is equation editor. You don't know that MS Word supports mathematical equations by default. So guys, before starting the video, if you want to learn basic to advanced computer includes MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, WordPress, Python, C, C++, Java, MySQL, you can register on our courses. And the best part is you will get one-on-one prioritized support from us. All courses are certified by V.I Tech Academy. For more details, check out our website from the About page of our official YouTube channel. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, subscribe to our official YouTube channel and press the bell icon with all notifications. My name is Ratul. I'm your host for today's video. Let's start. As I told you that you just need Microsoft Word and NVDA so that you can write mathematical equations properly. So let's see how to do that. I have already opened a blank document here.
Blank. Document 1, Word.
So here I just need to activate the equation editor, and where you will activate the equation editor, you should write within that area. You cannot write out of that area. Okay, so first you need to activate that equation editor, and after that you need to write the equations. So let's say you want to type a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is the formula of a plus b whole square as per my knowledge. Even I am not good at math, so if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comment section. So let's type a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if you type like this a2, let's say I'm typing
Speak type characters
this
only
way.
in edit control A. 1, 2.
A2 plus 2ab plus B2. Now I'm pressing space bar and see.
A 2 plus 2ab plus B2.
So now you cannot understand what's there
A 2 plus blank.
written in our like mathematical equations. But now if I just use LATEX code or LATEX versions to write the mathematical equations, you can easily understand what's this. So let's type something. So first of all, you need to activate the equation editor. To activate it, you can press Alt equals. I'm pressing and NVDA will say selected.
Selected.
It's a selected. So now you are in the equation area. See, I'm pressing right arrow.
Unselected. Blank.
I'm pressing left arrow.
Selected. Equation unselected. Selected. Equation selected.
So when it says selected, now you can write the equation. Now here you need to learn about the equations, like how to write the equations. Specific code is there. For example, here I want to write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here I will be writing backslash a, then caret sign.
A caret.
Caret sign is presented most probably shift plus 6. 2. So a square is created. Okay, now
Lock off.
I use plus sign.
2 plus.
Then 2ab, 2ab, then again plus. Then I write b square. Okay, so b, then 2ab b square. B square means b, then caret,
b caret,
and then 2, and I press space bar.
2 space.
So now this is what I have written, and just now I'm going to read using NVDA.
Squared plus 2 b plus b squared
So now you can understand that NVDA is reading a squared plus 2ab plus b square. Isn't it amazing, right? It's very, very amazing and very useful tools. So I'm just going down, and I can write any other formula. Let's suppose I want to write square root of 20 or square root of 30 or whatever, or I want to write a cube plus b cube, for example, or I want to write c cube d cube, whatever. So I can write easily. So now here I'm just typing a cube. I'm just writing a cube. So what I do is backslash a caret 3. Now I'm pressing space bar. Now see, nothing happens. Now I just delete it, and now what I do is I just activate the equations, and now here I'm writing backslash a caret 3, and I'm pressing space bar. See, a cubed,
section 1,
right? So I'm just going down, and I can write any other mathematical equations if I want, like fractions or square roots, okay, cube roots, whatever you want, you can write. So I'll show you some more examples right now, like square root and square cube root. But before that, I also assure that you have to learn properly this. Then only you will be able to use this. So now I'm going to show you how you can write. Like for example, I want to write square root. So I just activate the equations, and then I type backslash, and yeah. So no, not backslash. I just write okay.
Backslash.
I think I also forget sometimes. SQRT left brace.
SQ right brace. SQRT open brace. Close brace. Close brace.
So here, sorry, actually.
Close brace. Open brace. Left brace.
Open brace. I mean square root. Let's say 20 and right brace.
20 right brace. Space blank. SQ section 1 S backslash blank S. Section S.
Just a minute, I think I have missing something, so I just need to try it again.
Selected. Back SQRT. SQRT open parent. Left brace. Num lock on. 20. Right brace. Space blank. Square root. Open brace. Open parentheses. 20. Close brace. Close parentheses.
So you would understand that square root of 20 is written here. Right, it is simple.
Square root. Open brace. Square root. Blank.
Even if I use the left arrow, right arrow, it will be also read like the mathematical equations. This is not only possible just I'm using NVDA and Word, but I'm also using a secret NVDA add-on. What's that? That I will tell you at the end of the video. So this is actually how you should write the mathematical equations using MS Word. So guys, those who have the problem, actually you need to learn properly how to use this LATEX in MS Word. So if you are interested guys, we will try to take a course on this. So if you are interested, let me know your thoughts into the comment section so that we can able to understand what you want. Now let me tell you the add-on name. The add-on name is Accessible 8 Math. Yes, you will find this add-on in NVDA add-on store. Install this. After this, just try these commands, whatever we have told in the video. And if you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button. And if you get the hype button just before the comment section, please press on the hype button. This will really help us and help others to learn more about this topic. That's it guys for today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.